Introduction. The text is from the novel Trash by Andy Mulligan. Raphael and Gardo are searching through rubbish when Raphael finds a special trash bag from a rich area. Inside the bag, they discover money, a wallet, a map, a key, photographs, and an ID card belonging to a man named Jose Angelico. Raphael and Gardo become very excited because the money is valuable to them. Raphael hides the items carefully because he feels the discovery may change his life forever. The key becomes a symbol of hope and opportunity. Summary. The extract, The Discovery, comes from the novel Trash written by Andy Mulligan. The story is told by Raphael, a poor boy who lives and works on a rubbish dump with his friend Gardo. Their daily job is to search through piles of garbage to find anything useful or valuable that can be sold for money. One day, while Raphael and Gardo are working together, many trash bags arrive at the dump. Some bags are already torn open, while others are still closed. Raphael notices a special bag. A special bag is a bag of rubbish from a rich area, and these bags are exciting because rich people often throw away valuable things. Raphael begins searching through the bag carefully. First, he finds an almost fresh zucchini that could still be cooked and eaten. Then he finds some tin cans, papers, and a pen. Most of the things are ordinary rubbish. Suddenly, Raphael's hand touches something unusual. He discovers a small leather bag covered with coffee grounds. Raphael opens the leather bag and finds a wallet inside. Next to the wallet is a folded map, and inside the map there is a key. Gardo quickly comes over to see what Raphael has found. The boys squat together on the rubbish heap and carefully examine the items. Raphael feels nervous and excited because the wallet is thick with money. Inside, they discover 1100 pesos. For poor boys like Raphael and Gardo, this is a huge amount of money. Raphael explains how valuable the money is by comparing it to the prices of food and entertainment. A chicken costs only 180 pesos, and 1 hour in the video hall costs 25 pesos. This shows how much the discovery means to them. The boys become extremely happy. Raphael laughs loudly, and Gardo punches him playfully in excitement. They almost dance because they cannot believe their luck. Raphael decides to share the money fairly with Gardo even though he found it himself. He gives Gardo 500 pesos and keeps 600 for himself. This shows friendship, fairness, and trust between the boys. The boys continue examining the other items in the bag. They find some old papers, photographs, and an ID card belonging to a man named Jose Angelico. The card says he is 33 years old and works as a houseboy. Raphael feels a little sad because Jose Angelico does not seem rich. The boys wonder whether they should return the wallet, but Raphael knows it would be almost impossible to find the man in the city. They also find 2 small photographs of a young girl wearing a school uniform. She looks serious and beautiful. Raphael guesses she may be 7 or 8 years old. The girl's serious face reminds him of Gardo. The boys study the key carefully. It has a yellow plastic tag with the number 101 written on it. The map appears to be an ordinary map of the city, but Raphael suspects the key and map may have an important meaning. Raphael secretly hides all the items inside his shorts because he does not want anyone else to steal them. He continues working normally so that nobody notices his excitement. Raphael realizes that this discovery may change his life completely. At the end of the extract, Raphael says, everyone needs a key. The key becomes a symbol of opportunity, freedom, hope, and the chance to change one's life. Raphael means that with the right opportunity or knowledge, a person can open doors to a better future because nobody else will do it for them. The story creates mystery and suspense because readers want to know why the key, map, and wallet are so important and how they will change Raphael's life. Answers of all questions. Comprehension A. Question 1. Why do you think bags of trash from rich areas are better than bags from poor areas? Answer. Rich people often throw away more valuable and useful things. Question 2. Who do you think the little girl in the photos might be? Answer. She might be Jose Angelico's daughter or a family member. Question 3. What do you think the key might be for? Answer. The key might open a locker, room, box, or important place. Comprehension B. Question 1. What is the purpose of the dashes in lines 17 and 18? Answer. The dashes create pauses and show Raphael's excitement and thoughts. Question 2. Why do you think Raphael uses the word just when he says the map was just a map of the city? Answer. Raphael wants to show that the map looked ordinary at first. Comprehension C. Question 1. Why did Raphael share the money with Gardo even though Gardo didn't find the money? Answer. Raphael shared the money because Gardo was his close friend and partner. Question 2. Should Raphael have returned the money to Mr. Angelico? Explain your answer. Answer. Yes, because the wallet belonged to Mr. Angelico, and returning it would have been honest. Question 3. At the end of the extract, Raphael uses a key as a symbol for something else. Explain what you think he actually means in the last two sentences. Answer. Raphael means that everyone needs an opportunity or chance to improve their life. Writing task Unexpected discovery. Question. Write a short story in the first person about an unexpected discovery. Answer. One evening, I was walking home after school when I noticed a small wooden box near the roadside. It looked very old and dusty. At first, I ignored it, but curiosity made me stop. I picked it up carefully and heard something moving inside. My hands trembled as I slowly opened the box. Inside, there was a golden key and a folded letter. The letter was written many years ago by an old man who had hidden his savings in a secret place. A map was drawn at the bottom of the page. I looked around nervously because the street was empty and quiet. My heart was beating fast. I followed the map to an abandoned house near the river. Inside the house, behind a broken wall, I discovered a small metal chest filled with old coins and photographs. Suddenly, I heard footsteps outside. I quickly hid behind a table. After a few moments, the sound disappeared. I rushed home safely with the letter and told my family everything. That mysterious box changed my life forever. Grammar vocabulary exercises solved. Question. What does houseboy mean? Answer. A servant who works in a house. Question. What does zucchini mean? Answer. A long green vegetable also called a courgette. Question. What does battered mean? Answer. Old and damaged. Question. What does creased mean? Answer. Folded with lines or wrinkles. Question. What does trembling mean? Answer. Shaking because of excitement or fear. Question. What does squatted mean? Answer. Sat close to the ground with bent knees. Important MCQs with answers. Who tells the story in the extract? A. Gardo. B. Rhett. C. Raphael. D. Jose. Answer. C. Raphael. From which novel is the extract taken? A. Oliver Twist. B. Trash. C. Treasure Island. D. Holes. Answer. B. Trash. Who wrote Trash? A. Naomi Shihab Nye. B. Andy Mulligan. C. Elizabeth Laird. D. Charles Dickens. Answer. B. Andy Mulligan. What is a special bag? A. A clean bag. B. A bag from a rich area. C. A school bag. D. A food bag. Answer. B. A bag from a rich area. What vegetable does Raphael find? A. Potato. B. Carrot. C. Zucchini. D. Onion. Answer. C. Zucchini. What covers the leather bag? A. Mud. B. Water. C. Coffee grounds. D. Sand. Answer. C. Coffee grounds. What is inside the leather bag? A. Food. B. A wallet. C. Clothes. D. Shoes. Answer B. A wallet. What is found inside the map? A. Money. B. A photograph. C. A key. D. A letter. Answer C. A key. How much money is inside the wallet? A. 500 pesos. B. 700 pesos. C. 1100 pesos. D. 2000 pesos. Answer C. 1100 pesos. How much money does Rafael give Gardo? A. 300 pesos. B. 500 pesos. C. 600 pesos. D. 100 pesos. Answer B. 500 pesos. How much money does Rafael keep? A. 400 pesos. B. 600 pesos. C. 700 pesos. D. 800 pesos. Answer B. 600 pesos. Why are the boys excited? A. They found food only. B. They found valuable things. C. They found clothes. D. They found books. Answer B. They found valuable things. What is the name on the ID card? A. Jose Angelico. B. Paul Gomez. C. Nicolas Chavez. D. Maximo Cruz. Answer A. Jose Angelico. How old is Jose Angelico? A. 25. B. 30. C. 33. D. 40. Answer C. 33. What job does Jose Angelico do? A. Driver. B. Houseboy. C. Teacher. D. Farmer. Answer B. Houseboy. Where does Jose Angelico live? A. Green Hills. B. Caterer. C. Behala. D. San Heaven. Answer A. Green Hills. What do the boys find besides the wallet? A. Photos and papers. B. Shoes. C. Jewelry. D. Toys. Answer A. Photos and papers. How old does the little girl seem? A. 3 or 4. B. 5 or 6. C. 7 or 8. D. 10 or 11. Answer C. 7 or 8. What expression does the little girl have? A. Happy. B. Angry. C. Serious. D. Funny. Answer C. Serious. What number is written on the key tag? A. 101. B. 202. C. 303. D. 404. Answer A. 101. Where does Raphael hide the items? A. In his sack. B. Under the trash. C. In his shorts. D. In his shoes. Answer C. In his shorts. Why does Raphael hide the discovery? A. He is afraid others may steal it. B. He dislikes the items. C. He wants to throw them away. D. He is bored. Answer A. He is afraid others may steal it. What feeling does the story create? A. Humor. B. Suspense and excitement. C. Anger. D. Fear only. Answer B. Suspense and excitement. What does the key symbolize? A. Wealth only. B. Power only. C. Opportunity and hope. D. Danger. Answer C. Opportunity and hope. What does Raphael mean by everyone needs a key? A. Everyone needs a real key. B. Everyone needs a chance in life. C. Everyone should lock doors. D. Everyone needs money only. Answer B. Everyone needs a chance in life. What kind of relationship do Raphael and Gardo have? A. Enemies. B. Strangers. C. Friends and partners. D. Brothers. Answer C. Friends and partners. Why does Raphael feel sad about Jose Angelico? A. He lost his job. B. He does not seem rich. C. He lives far away. D. He is old. Answer B. He does not seem rich. What does trembling mean? A. Sleeping. B. Laughing. C. Shaking. D. Running. Answer C. Shaking. What is the setting of the story? A palace. B. A rubbish dump. C. A school. D. A market. Answer B. A rubbish dump. What is the message of the extract? A. Small discoveries can change lives. B. Money solves every problem. C. Rich people are always lucky. D. Rubbish is useless. Answer A. Small discoveries can change lives.